Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 4 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 maths and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter multiplication. And the lessons we're going to cover today are multiply numbers ending in zeros, multiply three numbers up to 2 digit each, multiply three or more numbers word problems, the final test. Then we'll start the new chapter that is decimals, and the lesson is what decimal is illustrated. So let's just start with the first lesson that is multiply numbers ending in zeros. So here I'm on grade 4 maths. The chapter is multiplication. Here is the chapter. Click on the continue button. And the lesson is multiply numbers ending in zeros. Okay, here is the lesson multiply numbers ending in zeros word problems. Here is the lesson I'm going to start with. Okay, let's just start with the first example. A factory makes 9,000 plastic forks per hour. How many plastic forks will the factory make in 8 hours? So you have to do 9,000 times 8. Got it? So you have to multiply just non-zero numbers. Got it? Just multiply 9 times 8. So 9 times 8 is 72. Then you have three of the zeros with 9,000 to just add three zeros at the end. So it would be 72,000. Got it? Just multiply the non-zero values. Got it? Okay, the second one is a gum factory makes 2,000 sticks of gum per day. Got it? How many sticks of gum will the factory make? Will the factory make in 9 days? So just multiply the non-zero values. Just do 9 times 2. Got it? 9 times 2 makes 18. And then you have three of the zeros with 2,000. So just add three to zeros. So it would be 18,000. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test question. Okay, a school owns 70 buses. There are 200 each seats on each bus. How many seats in total are there on the buses? So just multiply the non-zero values, the 7 and 2. So 7 times 2 makes 14. Got it? Now both the numbers have collectively three zeros. Got it? Two zeros with 200 and one with 70. So that means you have to add three zeros at the end. So it would be 14,000. Got it? So the correct option is 14,000. 7 times 2 is 14, not 12. So it would be 14,000. Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a souvenir factory put 3,000 souvenir keychains in each crate. How many keychains will the factory put in two crates? So you have to do 3,000 times 2. Got it? Just multiply the non-zero values. Just do 3 times 2. Got it? So 3 times 2 is 6. So it would be 6,000. Just add three zeros at the end. So it would be 6,000. Got it? So the correct option is 6,000. Okay, good, very good. The next one is the cafeteria at a summer camp has 100 tables. Each table seats four campers. How many campers can eat in a cafeteria at the same time? So you have to do 100 times 4. Got it? Yes, very good. That would be 400. The correct option is 400. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, Brendan did sit-ups for 20 days in a row. He did 20 sit-ups per day. How many sit-ups did Brendan do? So he did 20 each day and 20 sit-ups per day. Got it? Yes, very good. That would be 400. Just do 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4 and add 2 extra zeros at the end. So it would be 400. Very good, everyone. So the correct option is 400. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, a game show has 8 categories. There are 200 points in each category. How many points are there in total on the game show? So you have to do 200 times 8. Got it? 200 times 8 is, just multiply the non-zero numbers. Just multiply 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. Very good. That would be, add 2 zeros at the end. So it would be 1600. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. A gum factory make 2000 sticks of gums per day. How many sticks of gum will the factory make in 9 days? So which is the correct option? Multiply non-zero numbers. So 9 times 2 is 18. So that would be 18,000. You have to add 3 of the zeros. Got it? Add the same number of zeros that would be with the numbers. It would be 18,000. Yes, very good. That is 18,000. Okay, a sporting good factory puts 90 playground balls in each shipment. How many playground balls will there be in 30 shipments? So you have to do 90 times 30. So 9 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Got it? Add the two zeros, so it would be 2700. Got it? Yes, very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? And the next lesson is multiply three numbers up to 2 digits each. Okay, here is the next lesson. Multiply two numbers up to 2 digit each. Let's start with the lesson. So you have to multiply three numbers and all the numbers are more than 2 digit numbers. Got it? Let's start with the first example. Like here you have three of the numbers you have to multiply. Got it? You have to do 6 times 7 times 5. Got it? You can do them by multiplying the pair of numbers. Got it? You can just start with 6 times 7. So 6 times 7 makes 42. Got it? Then you have to do 42 times 5. Got it? So 42 times 5 makes 210. Got it? Let's do another example. You have to multiply 6 times 8 times 10. You have to multiply three numbers. So just pair up the numbers. Let's do 6 times 8 first. Got it? 6 times 8 is 48. Then you are left with 48 times 10. So 48 times 10 is 480. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 10 times 3 times 10. Got it? So start with pairing up the first two numbers. Just do 10 times 3. So 10 times 3 is, yes, very good. It would be 10 times 3 is 30 and 30 times 10 is 300. Very good. That would be 300. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is multiply. So you have to do 6 times 2 times 7. Got it? So let's start with 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Got it? Then you have to do 12 times 7. 12 times 7 is, 12 times 7 is, yes, very good. That would be 84. The correct option is 84. Okay, the next one is 6 times 7. So 6 times 7 is 42 and 42 times 5 is, you have to do 6 times 7, that is 42. You have to do 42 times 5. Got it? 5 times 2 is 10, 0 and 1 carry. 5 times 4 is 20 and 121. That would be 210. Got it? So the correct option is 210. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, multiply 3 times 1 times 3 times 5. So which is the correct option? It would be 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 5 is 15. Got it? The correct option is 15. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, multiply 7 times 3 is 21 and 21 times 5 is, yes, very good. That would be 105. Got it? So the correct option for this one is 105. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 10 times 1 is 10 and 10 times 5 is 50. Very good. 10 times 5 is 50. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 5 is 50. So the correct option is 50. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 7 times 7 is 49 and 49 times 10 is, yes, that would be 400. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12 and 12 times 10 is, yes, that would be 120. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 9 times 3 is 27 and 27 times 2 is 54. Got it? Very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? And the next lesson is multiply 3 or more numbers, word problems. Let's start with the next lesson. We have to do the word problems. That would be, okay, here is the lesson, multiply 3 or more numbers, word problems. Okay, in a bookstore, each bookcase has 5 shelves and there are 5 books on each shelf. How many books are there on 3 bookcases? So you have to multiply all the 3 numbers. Got it? You have to do 5 times 3. Got it? So we know that 5 times 5 is 25 and 25 times 3 is, you have to multiply the two numbers. 5 times 5 is 25 and 25 times 3 is 75. Got it? Okay, the next example is each school bus has 3 rows of seats with room of 4 students in each row. If the high school has 4 buses, how many students can ride the bus to school? Got it? So you have to multiply all these three numbers. 3 times 4 times 4. Got it? It would be 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 times 4 is 48. Got it? Yes, that is 48. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the best questions. Okay, a fast food chain uses plastic straws. The straws come in 5 different colors. Each package contains 5 straws in each color. How many plastic straws are there in 2 packages? Got it? So they have 5 different colors, 5 straw in each packet, and they have total 2 packages. So you have to do 5 times 5 times 2. Got it? That means you have to do 5 times 5, which is 25, and 25 times 2, that would be 50. Very good. So the correct option for this one is 50. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the haunted house ride runs 5 times a day. If it has 2 cars, each of which can hold one person, how many people can ride the haunted house ride in one day? You have to do 5 times 2 times 1. Got it? You have to do 5 times 2 times 1. 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 times 1 is 10. That would be 10. Very good. The correct option is 10. Okay, the next one is Neha earns $5 for each tree she trims. She trims 3 trees each hour. After trimming trees for 2 hours, how much money will Neha have earned? Got it? So you have to multiply all the numbers. They are 5 times 3 times 2. Got it? So 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 times 2 is, yes, 30. Got it? So the correct option is 30. Okay, in a new bookstore, each bookstore has 5 shelves and there are 5 books on each shelf. How many books are there on 3 bookcases? So you have to do 5 times 5 times 3. Got it? That would be 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 7 is, yes, that is 75. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, there are 5 shuttle buses that go from the airport to the parking garage. The buses each have 4 rows of seats with 4 seats in each row. How many people can fit on all the shuttle buses to the parking garage? So you have to do 5 times 4 times 4. Got it? 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 times 4 is, yes, that would be 80. So the correct option is 80. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, a new hospital ordered bandages for all of these doctors' offices. There are 5 bandages in each pack. Each pack of the bandage contains 3 packs. How many bandages are there in 3 boxes? So you have to do 5 times 3 times 3. Got it? 5 times 3 is, 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 times 3 is, yes, it would be 45. Got it? So the correct option is 45. A fast food restaurant ordered paper plates. Each package contained 5 stacks of plates, and there are 5 paper plates in each stack. How many paper plates are there in 4 packages? So you have to do 5 times 5 times 4. Got it? So you have to do 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 4 is 100. Yes, very good. That would be 100. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, Peter and his friends went to 2 movies every weekend for the past 3 weeks. At every movie, they shared one piece of licorice. How many pieces of licorice did they eat in all? So you have to do 2 times 3 times 1. 2 times 3 is 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 1 is, so the correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is Leslie's favorite ice cream shop uses plastic spoons. The spoons come in 5 different colors. Each package contains 5 spoons in each color. How many plastic spoons are there in 5 packages? So which is the correct option? You have to do 5 times 5 times 5. So which is the correct option? 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. Got it? The correct option is 125. Okay, the next one is in an apartment complex, there are 4 windows in each apartment and 4 apartments on each floor. How many windows are there on 2 floors? So you have to do 4 times 4 times 2. Got it? 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. Got it? That means the total windows are 32. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is the final test of the chapter. Let's just start with the final test of the chapter. Okay, we're going to start with the final chap test of the chapter multiplication. So let's just start. Okay, last year 40 people each paid $495 for an insurance package. How much did the people pay in total? So you have to multiply 495 times 40. So I'm going to multiply just non-zero values, just multiply 495 times 4. Got it? That would be 4 times 5 is 20, 0, 2 carry. That would be 4 times 9 is 36, and 2 38, 8 and 3 carry. 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19. Got it? And here you have a 0, so add in 0 to the end. So it would be 19,800. Got it? When you multiply, they makes 19,800. So the correct option is 19,800. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which of the following numbers are multiples of 3? So which is the correct option, 21 or 35? Multiples of 3 means the number that can completely divide the given number. Got it? So which is the correct option? Yes, it is 21. Got it? Because 3 times 7 is 21. 21 is completely divisible by 3. So that would be the multiple of 3. Got it? Okay, estimate the product, round each factor to the nearest 10 and then multiply. So you have to round the factors to the nearest 10. Got it? So which is the nearest 10 to 72? It would be 70. Got it? And you have to round off 43 to 40. Got it? Then you have to use 7 times 4, that is 28, and add 0. So it would be 2800. Got it? The correct option is 2800. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, a factory makes 736 breath mints per day. How many breaths mints will the factory make in 54 days? So you have to do 736 times 54. Got it? Let's start multiplying 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 2 carry. 4 times 3 is 12 and 2 14. 4 1 carry. 4 times 7 is 28 and 1 29. Okay, 5 times 6 is 30. 0 3 carry. 5 times 3 is 15 and 3 18. 8 1 carry. 5 times 7 is 35 and 1 36. So just add, it would be 4 4 9 and 8 17 7 1 carry. 6 7 8 and 1 9 and 3. So it would be 39,744. Wait, let me just check. It is 39,744. Let me just use calculator. 736 times 54. That would be 39,744. Got it? The second option, the first option is the correct one. 39,007. That one I did on the board is the correct one. That would be 39,744. Okay, and Janet bought 19 packages of paper napkins. There were 95 packages in each package napkins in each package. How many napkins did Janet buy? So you have to do 19 times 95. Got it? So you have to do 19 times 59. Got it? Just multiply and see what is the answer. 95 times 19. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 9 is 81 and 85. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 9 is 9. 5 and 5 10. 9 and 1 10 and 1 18. So it would be 1805. Got it? So the correct option is 1805. Got it? Please do not guess the answers. I think you're guessing just one of them. They write the answer and the rest of the students just copy the answer. Please do the question on your notebook and write the correct option. It would be 1805. Got it? The correct option is 1805. Okay, the next one is fill in the missing number. 2 times what number makes 10, which is the correct option. 2 times 5 is 10. The missing number is 5. Which of the following numbers are the multiple of 9? Yes, that would be 27. Multiples are the numbers that are completely divisible by the given number. So 9 times 3 is 27. Very good. Okay, a hospital ordered 42 boxes of cotton swabs and there were 60 cotton swabs in each box. How many cotton swabs did the hospital ordered in all? Just multiply 42 times 60. Got it? It would be 2520. Got it? Okay, the next one is multiply 5 times 3 times 1. So which is the correct option? It would be 5 times 3 is 15 and 15 times 1 is 15. Got it? The correct option is 15. Okay, which property of multiplication is shown? 0 equals 0 times 3, which property it is? It is the 0 property. You just have to identify the property. 0 times any number makes 0. That would be the 0 property. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. We have done with the final test of the chapter multiplication. So we're going to start the new chapter, that is decimals. Let's start with the new chapter. Okay, here I'm on the new chapter decimals. Let's just start with the lesson. And the topic we're going to start with is what decimal number is illustrated. Okay, what decimal number is illustrated? You have to write down the decimal number. Got it? So you have to calculate the square. So total squares are 100, and how many of them are colored? 63 of them are colored. Got it? That means 63 out of 100 are colored. So you can write them as 63 hundredths. So you can write 0.63. Got it? It would be 0.63. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what decimal number is illustrated? The total are 10. Got it? The total parts are 10. And out of the 10, just 3 are colored. So it would be 0.3. Got it? The correct option is 0.3. Okay, what decimal number is illustrated? The total portions are, the total small boxes are 100. Got it? And out of the 100, how many of them are colored? Let me just count the lines that are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the complete lines are colored. And then the sixth one is 9 of the small. Yes, that would be 0.59. The correct option is the second option. That would be 0.59. Got it? Okay, what decimal number is illustrated, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 0.74. Got it? 7 of them are colored. 7 of the complete lines are colored. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 4 boxes. So it would be 0.74. Got it? Okay. What decimal number is illustrated, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 5 complete lines and 2 EF. That would be 0.52. Got it? Okay, what decimal number is illustrated, which is the correct option? That would be 0.9. Got it? The correct option is 0.9. Okay, just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What decimal number is illustrated, which is the correct option? It would be 0.45. Got it? Okay, what decimal number is illustrated, which is the correct option? That is 0.17. Got it? Okay, what decimal number is illustrated? That is 0.65. Got it? Okay, what decimal number is illustrated? It is 0.4. Got it? What decimal number is illustrated? It is 0.72. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We are working on the grade 4 maths. The chapter name is multiplication. And the lessons are multiply numbers ending in zeros, multiply three numbers up to 2 digits each, multiply three or more numbers word problems. Then we did the final test of the chapter. We have started the new chapter decimals, and the lessons are the lesson we just covered is what decimal number is illustrated. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask. I am here to answer all your questions if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.